up? It's 2018, bitches. Hey, hey-oh, hi. Waffle? Whoa, jeez, Abby. I was like, what else comes after that? Hello everyone, welcome to 2018. We are going to be kicking the new year off right, making some delicious grain-free, gluten-free waffles two ways. So I am kind of obsessed with my waffle iron, not gonna lie. I already made a delicious birthday cake waffle just this past December to celebrate my big 3-0. And today I thought I'd share with you two of my favorite potato-based waffles. So what we're gonna be doing is a sweet and a savory. We're gonna do my loaded baked potato waffle, and we're gonna be doing my sweet potato latke waffle with an apple and cranberry compote. Sounds really yummy because it is really yummy, and I am super excited to get into it. Let's do this. First up, my loaded potato waffle. First, I create my waffle mix by mixing together some grated white potato and some shredded cheddar cheese, some beaten eggs, salt, and some pepper. Give it a good stir to incorporate all of those goodies, and then preheat your waffle iron. Now it's time to cook. I add a generous amount of the waffle mixture to my waffle iron and spread it out so it's nice and even. Close her up and let it cook until golden brown. Next, I fry an egg in a little bit of oil in a nonstick skillet just until the whites are cooked through. Now it's time to load up that potato. I start by adding a dollop of sour cream, some crispy bacon bits, my fried egg, and some pretty chives. Get in there. Next up, my sweet potato waffles with apple cranberry compote. I start by making my compote. Into a sauce pot, I add some fresh cranberries, some diced apple, apple cider, and some minced dates. Pop a lid on and bring to a simmer until the cranberries burst and everything gets nice and syrupy and thick. Now I make my waffle mix by mixing together some shredded sweet potatoes, some potato flour, some olive oil, some ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg, as well as some eggs and a pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir until it's nicely incorporated, and then preheat your waffle iron. Now let's get cooking. To my waffle iron, I add a nice healthy amount of my mixture, close her up, and let it cook until golden brown. Now it's time to garnish. I layer my waffles with our beautiful apple cranberry compote, a sprinkling of crushed pecans, and of course, lots of luscious maple syrup. Dig in. Well guys, I hope you got a waffle iron for Christmas because you're gonna be wanting to make these recipes ASAP, right? I think so. So if you love this video, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your favorite waffle topping inspirations. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!